Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is Turbo Tuesday, baby. Turbo Tuesday. We are back for another day, another dollar. Looking to make some money, baby. That's what we're here to do. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, help me out. Blow up the likes. It's free to like. We're giving away some cash today as well, so get your PayPal email addresses ready. The first person to post their PayPal email address in the chat gets $100. Who's gonna be the first person? I'll send it right now. Desmond, #1 winner. The bed intruder. It's a little suspect, Desmond. That's a little suspect. That's a little suspect, Desmond. I don't know. That's a little scary. The bed intruder. What kind of name is that? What kind of PayPal name is that? That's fucking hilarious. Holy God. That dude be in the bed. He trying to get you in the bed. The bed intruder. He gonna get $100 right here, everybody. Check it out. We're sending $100 out right now. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Winner, winner. Congratulations to Desmond. The bed intruder. Gotta be careful, these guys. You gotta be careful, man. It's Thursday. Did I say it wasn't Thursday? Who said it wasn't Thursday? I said it was Thursday, didn't I? All right, Desmond got $100. Make sure you tune into the stream at 9 a.m. We're doing fun stuff. You said Tuesday. Sorry, Thursday. Thursday. It's Thirsty Thursdays. Hey, you know, when you're #1, you know, you forget what day it is. You know, you live in a bubble of excellence, and it's like what you just wake up every day and you're like, well, today I'm gonna win. Doesn't matter what day it is. Actually, pretty funny over the weekend. I think it was Saturday or Sunday, and I can't sleep past 6 a.m. no matter what day it is. So even on the weekend, I'll wake up at 6 a.m. I'll kind of do my normal routine, go for a run, come back, do some work on the computer. And Victoria, my girlfriend, she was like, hey, why are you waking up at 6? And I was like, cause it's time to get to work. It don't matter if it's Saturday, it don't matter if it's Sunday, baby. I'm up, I'm working. God did not create the days of the week, okay? Man did. So until I get a direct note from God saying that I'm not allowed to do anything on the weekend, I'm gonna keep on doing it, baby. How do you get so confident? Oh, you wake up in the morning, you just gotta believe, man. You gotta believe. Right now, the Nasdaq, push it up here. We had this breakout. We had numbers this morning, had continuing jobless claim numbers. We had a big move down. Yesterday, that 550 area just did not break. So I thought about deleting my YouTube, but then I said I thought maybe I could get away with it. Maybe no one would remember. Nobody would remember. That move down though, 18,500 down to the 7, almost 1,000, like what, 800 points or so. So right now, look at this reversal. Interesting move, big break back to the upside here. The numbers came out this morning. We got a pivot point right there at the 120s. Where are we gonna go? What are we gonna do? It's gonna be a tricky one either way. Right now, looking at the 15-minute chart, a big, what is that, 200-point move up? Over a 200-point move up there on that 15-minute candle. And right now, just consolidating up here at the 18,200s. I don't know about you, but it looks like a trap to me, but hey. You know, it looks like a trap to me, but hey, you know, I've been wrong before. I don't know. Look at this thing. Gotta get some type of pullback, right? I don't know. The way this market's been moving lately, it can do whatever it wants, basically. So we'll see what happens. Being patient. Looking for the right opportunities. We're here to make money, baby. Make the money. You know? Make the money, have a good time. We just gave away $100 to Desmond in the chat. $100 to Desmond. Who else wants some money today? Just keep on watching. The more hyped up I get, chat, you know, the more I'm gonna give away. So, more giveaways, more hype, more love, more likes, more action. We're doing it. Have your PayPal email addresses ready to go. PayPal only is the only way I'm sending money. PayPal. So don't win it and be like, well, Patrick, can you send me cryptocurrency? Patrick, can you send me some Indian rubies? No. PayPal only. If you ain't got a PayPal, don't waste my time. All right, don't waste my time if you ain't got it. Do a lot of people use PayPal still? I feel like they do. I use PayPal a lot. I feel like most people have a PayPal, you know, account. Maybe they don't use it a lot, but all right, 15-minute chart right now, just sitting up here. Obviously 18,200. If we get above that 18,200, kind of see what happens. Maybe up there 250, 300, 250, 300 area. If we continue this momentum to the upside. But right now, pretty much, I would say everything below 18,200 is bearish for a pullback here. And then we see if we get another setup for kind of a, maybe one of these, you know. One of those. Pull back here into the 18,000 area. Push back up. Do. Buyers are still being aggressive, man. Ugh. I would rather this pull back before market open than to go up before market open, because if we go up at before market open, then it's just going to be even stupider of a move and going to be even more frustrating. So right now I got this trend line ding here on the 2-minute chart. Will we break to the downside? That 170 area right now acting as support. I told myself this morning, I was like, Patrick, no FOMO, no bullshit, just relax. Take your time, wait for the right opportunity. You don't have to trade the first initial move of the market. You know, we've been having some really good moves after that 15-minute opening range break. A little bit later on in the day, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, been getting some solid moves. I feel like the market open has been very volatile, up and down, you know, 100 points on one candle. So just trying to be ready for anything. Be ready for anything, but also ready to just take it easy, you know? Take it easy, Patrick. I'm just taking it easy. Taking it easy. I just want to take it easy. We got plenty of time still till the market opens, like a little under 20 minutes. So just sitting back here, waiting, watching. I did take a trade earlier in a combine account, or well, in a evaluation account here with Apex. Just kind of messing around. I didn't want to trade it in the PA accounts just because the news and the rules and all that. So I kind of was like, I want to trade this, but not get in trouble with the PA. So just traded an evaluation. Basically took that first break right there through the hundreds, and then a short actually from 133 back to this level. Took it from some longs again for a break, and passed that 50K evaluation there on that break to the upside. it actually kind of played out beautifully for our flag type style breakout, right? So from there to there, kind of that first candle to make a new high. So the first candle to make a new high right there was 135. The high of that candle was 136. So through this candle, basically jumping in long, you got about a 50-point move there to the upside. So we're doing it. It's happening. What's popping? The Nasdaq don't go stopping. I'll be here 9 to 5 trying to just feel the vibe. Every day waking up trying to make $1 so that girls can holla. Hey, he's on fire. He spits hot fire. Would you like to know, would you like to know pretty much if you're gonna lose money or not before you lose it, or would you rather not know? I don't know. I guess you wouldn't do it if you lost it, but like it'd be nice to just know, like right now, be like, am I gonna be green or red at the end of the day? I don't need to know the number. I just need to know if will I be green or red? What are the chances of me being green or red? I gotta start tracking the data more. It's getting tight. Nasdaq here. That 18,200 area. They had that little breakthrough there earlier. 204 was the high on this candle. I feel like it's gonna do something annoying and like go straight up through here and then chop around. I don't fucking this. That's a big old boner candle. 200 points to the upside there. Really no good pullback yet. I don't want to jinx it, but I don't know. Big old boner candle. I'm trying to like see like other times when you had that type of push back up or reversal. Did we continue? Is it I mean, it kind of did it here before. It was like an overnight move, but just have to see. Just have to kind of play that formation right now. Hoping for good momentum. Open to anything, kind of up or down here. We don't really care. We know that basically below 18,200 is trouble for, you know, momentum, resistance sitting there. We did break out kind of above this area from earlier there at the 120s, went straight up. Now let's look at it. Oh God. Oh Lord. Right back up there, 200s again. A lot of volatility here. This market has been wild. You can see there on the Nasdaq right now. Most of that volatility is sitting there at the 18,200s. After that, 18,400 has 74 contracts sitting there right now. 74 contracts there at the, where is it? 18,400 level. So 18,400, that would put us basically back up to that pivot point right there. 18,400 is a pivot point to the upside on the Nasdaq. 18,400 up there. Oh man, the FOMO is real. The FOMO is real right now. I'd be like real. I can really feel that FOMO. I have a very high suspicion they're gonna break through this 200 area. High suspicion. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. Oh God. And there it goes, straight up. My spidey senses were ding 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 bing. By the way, I did not take that trade. But hopefully. Oh, come on. Why? Like, I could have literally taken that one trade right there, man. That one trade, and I could have been done for the day. You know? Could have been done for the day. Right there. Oh, wow. Right to the 240s, just like we talked about. This happening before the market opens, so. Lord, baby, Jesus. Why do you do this? Why do you gotta make it so hard on me? You know, why? Why, Nasdaq? Why could this not have happened at the market open? Like right when the market opened, just rip up 50 points, done. You know? Hey, congratulations to anybody that took the trade though. This thing's still going. There are buyers continuously stepping up here on the book map right now. Some like hidden buyers doing something. Look at that, 239 contracts, 193 contracts. Someone right now trying to get filled here, trying to hold it at the 40s. Look at this. Look at it. We just look at it. It's happening right now live. #1 day trading channel out there. Look at this thing, up 50 points now. She's still trying to go through the 50s now. Oh, look at that. Buyers. Aggressive buying here. Are you kidding me? The FOMO. Absolutely insane here. That hurts. This is gonna be hard to trade now. Hard to trade this now. What a tease. What a tease. And the fact that we were talking about that going straight up. It's always funny because I feel like those setups that you talk yourself out of taking, those are always the ones that just like work out perfectly. And then you sit there in disbelief afterwards. You know, whereas the ones that you take the trades that you don't really want to take, or you don't really have that setup, you don't really have that read, you take those trades, and then those are the trades that you end up losing on because you're like trying to force a trade. Something like this, it's like, damn, you know? Damn. Damn, boy. Damn. But hey, at least it's a little bit of a confidence booster, you know, feel a little bit better about yourself, feel a little bit more confident as a trader when these plays do happen, when they do play out. You know, it's like, hey, it's just muscle memory. We're going to see this again in the future, kind of this, you know, pushing, getting really tight there at that high, and then expect, you know, that 20, 30, 40 point pop breaking out there, shorts getting squeezed, and then that move up. So put it in the mental bank. Put it in the mental, right? We see this setup now. We had this huge break to the upside, barely any retracement there on the 15-minute chart. Basically just staying right up there at the top of that 15-minute candle. Very bullish, like I said, barely any retracement there. Sitting right there below that resistance, getting very tight. We saw it getting very tight. We saw the buyers just kind of nibbling. And then there was that break right up there, the 250s. So the pressure, the momentum. Carla Perez got out at the top. Let's go. Thanks to you. Thanks to me, Carla. Thanks to you, Carla. All right, we took out that high all the way up there to the 250s now. Lordy. This is one of those days where you're like, you're gonna have to sit. You're gonna have to wait. You have to wait for that perfect opportunity here. There's gonna be a lot of volatility, a lot of fake outs, a lot of bullshit. Be ready for anything, but also patient. Been working a bunch on the course, the new course, and all that fun stuff. We're launching that next week. $200. I think it's the best bang for your buck that you could ever have. It breaks down basically everything top to bottom, everything that I'm looking at, the setups, the strategies, the charts, the indicators, the broker, it's all in there. Talk about the emotion, the mental, you know, just kind of how to build, how to get that futures account rolling, getting evaluations passed and all that fun stuff. So 200 bucks. I think 200 bucks, it's hard to beat. We're going to be doing some private webinars as well in the future. So if you sign up, you buy the course, you get the invite for that, and kind of doing like a, not really like a mentorship, but kind of doing, we'll do some like masterclass videos, kind of weed out the trolls, weed out the people who are just wasting our time, and we can focus on making the money, honey. So looking forward to all that fun stuff. And I'm also, it's my birthday month. I'm turning 36 this month. Holy fuck. That's wild. It's wild that I am literally, I'm on the way to 40. I'm gonna be 40 years old one day. I honestly never thought I'd be 40 years old. I never thought I'd be 35. Like, when you're 20 years old, you don't really think you're ever gonna be 35. Like, it just seems like such a far off time. You know, like when you're young, you're like time goes by. I feel like it's like you haven't really lived that long, but now it's like it's getting faster and faster. Like 30 to 40, it feels a lot faster than 20 to 30, or even, you know, 15 to 20. 15 to 20 felt like an eternity. Wait till you get to 50. Oh God. Soon you will be the age you look, like you are 55. Oh, I look like I'm 55. Wow. Luckily your mom likes older men, I guess. I don't know. If I look like I'm 55, then I might as, I don't know what do people look like when they're 20? They must look like aliens, because their skin's so smooth and buttery perfect. You look like you're 55. Damn, that's rough. Oh. Annabelle, I look hot. Ooh, talk dirty to me. Annabelle's trying to win that money. All right, we got some giveaways going on today. If we get 500 likes here on the stream, we'll give away $100 cash. Hit that like button, blow it up. Let's hit some records today. If you're just now tuning in, make sure you stay tuned. We're doing it here, baby. It's happening. We're free. All you got to do is just a little bit of love, a little bit of love, a little bit of action. All right, overall game plan right now. You see that big breakout. We had the numbers this morning, jobless claim numbers. We squeezed straight back up into this kind of breakdown zone from yesterday. Had a big move down. Below that, 18,300, and just kind of sold on down, but now breaking back up to the upside here with those numbers. So got to see how this kind of plays out. We've seen it before where the market just goes straight up, up, up. We've also seen it push straight up and then dump straight down. So there's a million different possibilities. I don't know, actually. I wonder what the stats are. There's like, it can't be a million. Maybe like only a few thousand scenarios. Like, how many different scenarios are there for the market when you think about it? Like, if it going up, down, because it can only go up, down so many different ways. So it's like there's only so many scenarios. We just got to figure out which scenario it's going to be today. Right now, the Nasdaq continuing to squeeze up here. Oh, Lord. It's going to be a painful one. I can already tell it's going to hurt today. I feel like it's time to just walk away. Time to run away. Time to just run away right now. Go do something else. Oh, lordy, lordy, lordy. We got 4 minutes till the market opens. 4 minutes. Right now, the ES, the Nasdaq, everything very similar. The dollar also squeezing up here. We had those numbers come out. ES ripping, the Dow ripped up, the Nasdaq ripped up. We got the VWAP. VWAP there, 233 on the ES right now. Obviously, we're going to be opening up with a gap to the downside. So we closed yesterday. Where did we close at? Sorry, we closed right there. We closed yesterday at that 434 level, about a $6 move to the upside there on the QQQ right now, the Nasdaq. So we do have that big gap below us. We've been filling gaps lately. So just time to sit back, be patient, wait for the right opportunity. All right, just sitting back here, kind of reading a little bit of the news this morning. Nothing really out of the ordinary. Got a little less than 2 minutes right now. The Nasdaq just going up, being real annoying right now. We got some. Well, not really have anything too crazy. Got a couple numbers later on. We got a bond auction as well at 1 o'clock. 30-year bond auction. It's a 3-star event. Could be something to keep in mind at 12 o'clock. So what's the giveaway? The giveaway is $100 cash. I need 500 likes here for the first giveaway to be initiated. Patrick, please, do you click bid or market? Normally market. Here we go, market is open. Market is open for business. Holding up there at the 220s for now. Stuck below that high so far. Market very indecisive which way it wants to go. Still a doji candle there, battling that first 1 minute candle. Little break to the upside there. Staying patient here. Had a big move up, big gap to the downside, so just not overly bullish here. It's hard to get long up here. Even if it goes higher, it's just hard. Hard to get long. Nasdaq trying to do something, but just stuck here for now. Dipped down there below the 200s just to push right back up again. I think this thing's got to dump now, right? Think so. Is there a discount for the course? Yeah. It's 99% off. It's a $20,000 course, but luckily my YouTube subscribers all get 99% off. So I think that's a pretty fucking good deal. $99% off, baby. All right, these 15-minute candles, we're pulling back to the low of this 15-minute candle. Definitely looking like she wants to go downtown here. We got a pivot point down there at the 18,120s. Right around that 200 level again. This is that chop that I was worried about. The chop that I was worried about. Will we get denied at that 200 again? Get this sell down. Market's still holding on 200s. Oh my lord. Need to get back below the 200s for the bears. Above this 200 level is scary. They're gonna squeeze this up now. Just like that. I really want to get short here. Now it's just dumping straight back down again. Need this trend line break. Get this trend line break. Try to get this sell down. $18,200. Get that clean break of this trend. We start moving on down. I think we can go all the way to the 120s, that pivot point down there. Just need that break. Right now, just holding up there, so. Holding the trend for now. All right, going for the 200 break there. All right, get this continuation straight down now. We are short, looking for this move down. I'm looking for that pivot point down there, 120s. Pivot point 120s down there. Take some out of the 126s. Little pushback up here. Stop is above that 200 level. I was up $3,000, but I wanted more. What a move back up here. Still short, still holding. Gotta stay below that 200 level. Back to the 60s again. I'm gonna move this stop to break even now, just in case. Now I get stopped out break even. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? How's that possible? Did you see that? Did you see that? How did that even happen? The high on that candle, 81. Wow. That was literally the biggest joke ever. I don't even understand. Nasdaq's showing a lot of strength down here. Holding up for now. I think we might be able to... Oh, I guess I would have got stopped out either way. The dollar's going straight up. The Dow's going straight up. We get it back above that 200 level. See, they start squeezing this thing straight up again. Still stuck below that 200s. Here comes the sell. Here comes the dump. Here comes the dump, baby. Go all the way through the 140s there next. Oh. Nasdaq gets through this 50 level. It is downtown. Downtown. Look for a boner candle to the downside here, right through the 50s. Right down there to the 140s. Let's see it. Bunch of liquidity sitting down there at the 40s right now. All that liquidity down there at the 40s, you know that wants to get touched, get taken out. 110 contracts down there at the 40s. Tell me that's not going to get touched. Tell me that's not going to get touched. Tell me it ain't going to get touched. Because it's going to get touched. Now we get this move down to the 120s. Wow. 945. Algorithm is real. The low on that candle, 30. Gotta love the volatility. You just gotta love it. Give me that 120 level, baby. Come on. Daddy wants it. Daddy wants it. $125 low so far. Wow. What a little cunt. I am short right now. Looking for this move down. Come on. Give me that 120. 122. 120 touched. Let's go. From the 77s now down there to the 120s. Take another little 114. Take another down there. 106s. I got 2 left right now. See if we can get through that 100 level there next. Getting filled. We are going downtown. We got 1 contract left. I'm going to put the stop right there at the 120s. That was my first take profit anyway. And then maybe see if we get to the VWAP there next. Go to the VWAP there next. You want that VWAP touch right there in the middle of that 15-minute candle. Right there in the middle of that 15-minute candle. Like we talked about, that 18,200 level turning into resistance, being the short. Having that entry for a short below the 200s. A little bit of a choppy action. Expecting this big leg down. We had that pivot point. We had the news this morning. We are looking. We are looking. I told you 120s was coming. Don't tell me I didn't tell you so. Right now, we are looking for this continuation. Let's see if we can get that free fall right down there to the VWAP area. Down there to the 50s, maybe. Down there to the 50s. What was that? Almost 100 points here. I'm going to take me for 100 points. Give me that 100 points. Yeah, buddy. 100 points live on YouTube. Down there to the 77s. Come on. Come on. Seriously, guys. Seriously. Are you guys crushing it? Are you guys crushing it? Who's crushing it right now? Put your hands in the air if you're crushing it with me. Tell me about it. Let me know. Let me know about the crushing that's happening right now live on YouTube. Let me know about the crushing. Look at that. All the way down. It's all the way down. Look at the team. We're winning. We got over 2,000 people watching this live on YouTube right now. The market down there to the 70s. What a beautiful move here. You guys saw the short? You guys saw the short? Everybody saw that beautiful short entry there. 18,200s. Over 100 point move to the downside. Come on, people. Why the fuck would you watch anyone else here on YouTube? I don't know. I don't know. Ugh. Too bad the VWAP didn't get touched. Don't worry, sneaky Texas. It's still possible. You did not say anything. LOL. The fuck's this guy talking about? The fuck's this guy talking about? I'm on drugs. I'm hallucinating. You did not say anything. The fuck? What the fuck? I gotta get better at this, guys. I gotta get better. I'm gonna go ahead and just, you know, go spend some time meditating after this. Really focus on how I can get better. Because I'm just not doing it good enough. It's not clear. People don't understand. They don't see the market moving down there to the VWAP right now. It's impossible for people to see this, you know? Clearly I'm a scam. Clearly I'm a fraud. Whatever you do, don't listen to Patrick Wieland. He has no idea what he's doing. The guy is a literal scam. All right? Don't listen to the guy. Whatever you do, turn this stream off right now. Don't ever come back here. It's terrible. It's terrible. Nasdaq, it's funny because we talked about this idea of pulling back into the middle of that 15-minute candle there from that big move up, and well, look what happened. That's exactly where we're at right now, in the middle of that 15-minute candle. Lordy, lordy. Did we get the 15-minute range breakout too beautifully? Let me see. I didn't even look at that. But we just got the 15-minute range break as well here. Let's look and see how that looked. I mean, I don't know about you guys, but that looked pretty good. 15-minute range break from the 31s down there to the 60s. I mean, this is a strategy that I shouldn't have to tell anybody. If you're a first-time watcher and you don't know about this strategy, very simple strategy. You look at the first 15-minute opening candle. You got your bottom of that candle. Get the break to the downside. Look at that thing right through the low for what? 90 points? So, Nasdaq right back up now. The dip before the rip. Remember, we had that bullish news this morning. The market had to pull back a little bit here. Kind of do a little bit of retracement. Could always go full bull mode now. Start squeezing shorts. Anything's possible. The dollar's pulling back. Market's moving. It's happening. We're here. We're live. If you guys haven't hit that like button, you know what to do. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Doo-doo. First person to put your PayPal address in the chat gets $100. Alchemist, you've already won too many times. I feel like Chad Cobra, have you won before? I don't know. Alchemist, you're too fast, bro. We gotta share the wealth. Looks like the winner is gonna be Chad Cobra. I feel like Chad's won before, but he was second, so I gotta give it to him. We'll send him $100. There you go, $100 going to James. Winner. Market squeezing right back up right now. Oh, buddy. Look at that thing. Guys, this is trouble. Something's happening. What are you supposed to do to win? Just keep watching the stream, baby. Just keep watching. You want to keep winning? Just keep watching. It's free to win. Oh my God, Nasdaq. Look at this reversal. Hopefully nobody's still short. We got out. We got out of the short, people. Long time ago. Long time ago here. Nasdaq really wants that 200 break. Little pullback here, get a little bull flag going. Can we get a little bull flag going here on the 2-minute chart? Maybe we just go straight up again. Oh no. That 200 level, bunch of liquidity sitting there, 18,200s for now. Looking a little squeezy. If we break that 190 level, should go right through the 200s there next. Got to get above 90s here and then take out the 200s there. Bunch of sellers sitting right there at the 190s for now, so if they clear out, you know where we're going next. The buyers trying to step in here. Just still bull flagging here for now. Getting a better setup built out. You got 10 o'clock news here, 2 minutes. There they go. They got to break 90s strong. Again, look at that seller right there. This is what I was worried about there before the 90s. There's a big seller keeps popping up, holding it down. If he gone, then we go on 200s. $78 contracts. Will they get taken out here? They gone. See if this market's gonna rip up now. 200 next. Up there through the 200s, beautiful. Beautiful. Wow. Would you look at that? Would you just look at it? Would you just look at it? Just look at that. You just look at it. Look at that. Like we said, through the 90s, just looking for that quick push up there into the 200s. The high of that candle, 88.75. Once we break above that previous high, we went straight up. We saw those sellers sitting there. Right? We saw those sellers. We saw the opportunity. What a move. We got this high up there, 250 to get through next. Still going. There you go. That's 40 points from that 190 break. So don't tell me I never tell you. We literally said 190 break. We go through the 200s. There you go. But Patrick, you never tell us. I know, I never tell you. I get it. I've heard that before. All right, let's see what happens here now. Market trying to go for that 15-minute range breakout. Remember, this is the high from earlier, so that 42 to go through there. Oh my lord, they are squeezing, guys. They want that 50 break. I'm not gonna say what I said yesterday, but I'm telling you, they want it through the 50s here. As I say it, it's pull it back there. Oh god. Oh god. All right, it did it. Went through the 50s. I mean, we fucking absolutely I don't care what anybody. Look at this thing right now. What are y'all talking? Anybody in the chat right now that's talking about the idea that we don't give out the fucking the setup before the move happens. From the 90s. Guys, 190. What did we get through? 190. Where are we at right now? 269. Beautiful trade. Beautiful move. Up there through the 200s. Easy peasy, mac and cheesy, baby. Just sitting back, being patient. Right now, the Dow is going straight up. The Dow is ripping. 15-minute chart. The Nasdaq still ripping as well. What a beautiful day. What a beautiful day here. We've had really two solid trades there. From the 200 break to the downside and then getting this 190 push right here. Look at this. Almost going for the 100-pointer. Another 100 points. 100 points down. 100 points up. Come on. Come on, people. Don't you tell me I didn't tell you so. Don't you tell me I didn't tell you so, boys. All right, so now is the time to be patient. We've had two very solid, great moves. You know, if you're sitting here and you got FOMO and you're like, damn it, I want to take a trade. Hey, nothing wrong with that, but no reason to go and do anything crazy right now, right? If you're sitting here watching this move right now and you're like, I want to go, I want to get in. Well, why are you not, you know, like, why are you not still long from earlier? You know, you ask yourself, like, if you got out earlier thinking it was the top and it went higher, well, now you sit back and you wait for another good setup here. You know, some more consolidation up here, more of a pullback. Give us a bounce. Show us that the bulls are able to support this price and, you know, let it play out. Right now, we're at the top of this move right now, pulling back. No reason to try to buy the dip. No reason to do anything other than just wait for some type of reaction. You know, you want to see reactions. Wait for a trap. Wait for a move to then give you an option. When you look at a flag setup, do you look for a certain amount of candle touches? Yeah, you know, you really want to have, I would say, 3 to 4. You know, the more touches, the better. Of that flag, the more consolidation, the better. But you definitely don't want just like, you know, the first touch of that trend. Like this setup here, you know, you don't want to just be like the first little pushback up, try to get in long, because, you know, when you go to the 2-minute chart, you can see you just be buying at the top of that candle right there. So that's the reason I like the 2-minute chart as well. The 2-minute chart, you're gonna get A little less, you know, you really kind of need that three to four touches there on the 2-minute chart. Is the book map showing anything? 18,300 liquidity sitting up there. Bulls stepping in here once again. Nice little push back up off the 60s. Again, just squeezing up here. That 18,300 area on the book map. Will she go? Market just stuck right below that 280s for now. Still looking squeezy though. Oh my lord. I fucking love when that happens. When it just goes straight up. Oh, you just love it. Oh my, 18,300 coming up there next. Oh God. Somebody asked in the chat, how do you overcome revenge trading? I think that revenge trading really just comes from the acceptance that, you know, that you're gonna miss trades, you're gonna get stopped out. Same thing happened to me earlier, right? I got stopped out on that one move, and then I waited, I re-entered, and then the trade went in the exact opposite, the exact direction that I wanted it to. So you just gotta be okay with getting stopped out. I saw a really good example of that this morning. So there's another YouTuber out there. I'm not gonna name his name, just, I'm sure you'll figure it out. But another YouTuber out there, basically he blew up a evaluation account, right? So he blew up an evaluation account, and then he went and he started trading in his funded account after blowing up his evaluation account. And he got lucky because the market ended up going where he thought it would go. But that right there, 100% is like going on tilt, right? Like if you blow up an evaluation account and your first reaction is to go trade your funded account, that's probably a very bad, you know, that's a very bad pattern. And I know that's not a pattern of a successful day trader, right? Because again, like if I blow up my evaluation account, like is it a good idea for me to take a trade in my funded account right away? You know what I mean? And I'm not even trying to be a hater. I'm just talking about like the emotion of it. Like, you know that if you blow up an evaluation, like there's really no, like, why would you like right away go take a trade in your funded account? I would do it the opposite, right? Like if I have a bad trade in my funded account, the next trade, I might take it in my evaluation, if that makes sense, right? Like, let me like take a step away, you know, take a break from the funded account, whatever, like, take a step away for a minute and then come back to it. But simply blowing up an evaluation and then jumping right into the funded account, like, you know, a second later, 100% that's, you're gonna get blown up. That's going on tilt. That's not proper trading. I don't care what anyone says. So Somebody said, how about don't trade at all? That's not a bad idea. I actually, I've been really kind of loving that kind of not same idea, but that idea with my trading right now. What I've been trying to do is like, you know, trade some evaluations right at open. If I really want to, like, if I have that itch, you know, like if I have that itch, trade the evaluations just to like scratch that itch. Look at this, 18,300 trying to go, baby. Nasdaq trying to go here. But I think it's kind of nice. It's nice to like have those evaluations to kind of do those the more aggressive trades on. You can see in my funded accounts, $700 across, I think 17 accounts, and then some evaluations past there as well. So it's kind of good to kind of space it out a little bit. It is kind of frustrating when you take an evaluation trade and it does exactly what you thought it would do, and you're like, well, damn it, I should have taken the oh, Nasdaq 18,300. There she goes. There she goes. How many contracts do I trade? Normally I trade maybe one, maybe two contracts across, you know, 20 accounts. Why aren't your accounts different? Because I use a trade copier. I trade copy the funded accounts and then I trade the evaluations one by one. Patrick, are you still using Take Profit Trader? I am still using Take Profit Trader. Right now it's 10:14 here in the morning. 10:14. How we doing today? People, we green, we red. Who's red? Who's green? There should be no reason to be red right now. Starting the poll up. Nasdaq just moving. All right, the poll right now, 80%. Hey, the good thing about this is at the end of the day, 77% of the chat is green right now. 23% is red. Well, the normal stat is 90% of day traders lose. So at least when you watch Patrick Wieland, 70% win. I do want to go back and just not really give myself props here, but would you look at this trade so far? And again, guys, I didn't even talk about it. I didn't even talk about it yet. But oh my, look at this. Would you look at this? Would you look at this? By the way, guys, we need more likes on the stream. I swear to God, I'm doing the Lord's work. I'm doing the Lord's work sometimes. You gotta laugh. We gotta laugh about this, right? The chat, we all gonna laugh. Look at the 15-minute open range. Look at the 15-minute range. Look at the 15-minute opening range. Look at that. Just look at that. Let's go over here. Look at that. Oh my baby Jesus. It's too much. It is too much. It's too much, man. That's 100 points. 100 points there. You got 50 points to the, you got what? 80 points to the downside from the 15-minute opening range. And then you've got 100 points here from the, look at this. Oh my, are you guys, I got some insane FOMO right now, boys. I got some crazy FOMO right now. This is some crazy shit. I am literally we are absolutely killing it. We are absolutely motherfucking killing it. Insane. I can't even, I don't even need to toot my horn any more than I already do. Oh, man. You gotta admit, this is fucking epic. What a day. What a day. But if you're not rich right now, you just go ahead and quit. You know, if your account don't look green, you gotta do something about it. You gotta do something about it. But don't worry, everybody. The new course, the new Patrick Wieland Masterclass. I can't guarantee it's gonna make you rich, but I can guarantee it's gonna help you stop losing money on stupid shit. Right? Learn the trend, learn the breakout, learn the setups, and then you too can look like this. Not only beautiful, but also green, baby. Green, 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 green. Oh man, I'm in a good mood. I'm in a good mood. Who wants $100? Give me your PayPal address. Alex Bowler Studio, winner chicken dinner. I will give I'll give $100 to the first person that goes on Twitter and post a photo of their P&L from today and writing a nice little comment on Twitter. Tag me. First person to do it, I will do it right now. $100. First person to go on Twitter and post up your P&L for the day. It better be green, green, green. Tag me, bro. Gotta send my boy $100 really quickly here. Alex Bowler. $100 for Alex Bowler. Drinks are on me tonight, buddy. Drinks are on me tonight, Bowler. When we win, we all win, baby. The only #1 day trading team on the #1 internet. All right, who's the first person to post their screenshot? Rachel's red right now. She's down 200. She needs $100. Rachel, how are you red right now? Damn it. All right, so the rip cards break. I'm sending you a message for your PayPal on Twitter. Right now, the Nasdaq bull flagging up here. Will we continue this move higher? I don't know about you guys, but I feel like we've already made so much money that there's no point. I don't know. I feel like it's like you might as well just take all the money and run away. Might as well take all the money and run away, you know? All right, so the next $100 giveaway, very simple. If you want to win $100, go on Twitter, leave a comment talking about it today. How did you do today? Did you make some money? Did you lose some money? Let me know on Twitter on that little post, right? Hit it up. And then I'll send you someone $100. Another $100 going out right here to Sneaky Texas Venom. You little sneaky guy. You all got some funny PayPal names. Earlier it was get into your bed. What was it? Desmond was into your bed or something. Doing some weird stuff. Into bed. Get into bed. I think that's what it said. What was it? Let me see. His PayPal address earlier was the bed intruder. Look at this. The bed intruder. Bro, what you doing? What you doing? Desmond, what you doing, bro? What you doing in the bed? And then you got this guy. You got another guy they got Sneaky. This is Sneaky Texas Venom. Man, y'all doing some sneaky and some stuff out there. Y'all a bunch of sneaky people. Into bed. Into bed, baby. All right, that next giveaway for $100 is going on right now on Twitter. Hit up my Twitter, leave a comment. Rachel Morrow, I sent you a message for your PayPal on Twitter. I'll send you $100. Since you're down 200, I'll send you 100, you know? Help it out. Now you're 50-50. Which tweet? The one in... I just put the thing in the thing, man. This one. How you hat PW? I think he meant to say, how can you hate PW? How can you hate PW? Chase Austin. Luckily, you don't need to know English to make money. And look at this, still going, man. Still just going. Bull flag after bull flag here. Baby Jesus. I'm done trading for the day. If you're wondering, I'm gonna take my profits and be financially responsible here. I'm not gonna give back any profits. I'm not gonna come back later and try to force any trades or do anything I don't need to do, right? Could I make more money? Maybe. But I do know that we crushed it this morning. Absolutely. Guys, if you make 40, you make 30, you make 20 points a day, just do that every day over and over and over and just walk away. That's a good life. That's a good life. You know, that is think about it. That's a good life. Make 20 points, walk away. Come on. Barry, how can we follow your trades? Okay, let me talk about it real quick, Barry. Here, Barry, if I say that if we're gonna break above 190, I think we're gonna go to the highs, that would be following my trade. You know, if I say, hey, I think the market's gonna go up, I'm not looking to get short if I think the market's going to go up. You know? If I say, hey, I think 18,300 is gonna break, I ain't trying to short, you know? Having $500 per trade, is it okay? Like you have $500 total to your whole life? My dog threw up on the floor, so I missed. Well, I'd get rid of that dog real quick. Once that dog starts getting in the way of me making money, it's got to go. Everything in my life is very simplified. If it don't make me money, it's got to go. It's got to go. My son, he's 12 years old. I told him, I said, hey, look, when you turn 18, you better be ready, boy. You better be ready to get your ass to work. Ain't no freebies in life. Just because your daddy's got a Lambo, just because your daddy's got a McLaren, don't mean you're gonna have shit. You ain't gonna have a pot to piss in, boy. Ain't no freebies in life. Look at this thing. Nasdaq still going. Next pivot point, 18,400. Who would have thought? Who would have thought? 18,400. I'm telling you guys, I don't want to be that guy. I hate being that guy, but pivot points love to get touched, man. Pivot points love to get fucking touched. You should have left a runner. Hey, 100%. I will not deny that. I would love to still have a runner going. My last entry was at 270. We're up 100 points from there. Like, yeah, I'd love to have a fucking runner going right now. At some point, it's just hard, you know? It's hard to like, it's hard to be a scalper and, you know, a holder. Like, you see the profits, you see the green, and you just like, you want to take it. Because then the day, I feel like what always happens to me, this is always, I know this is what happens to me actually. This is what my problem is. It's always whenever I try to hold for you know, a runner, it's always on those choppy days. And then those choppy days, they scare me out of holding runners, right? Like yesterday. Yesterday in the morning, perfect example, right? Getting chopped out, getting your runner taken out, break even. And then a day like today, yeah, fuck. Look at that. Put a runner on and let it go, baby. That 190 level, look at that thing. From the 190s now, you're up 200 points. 200 points. Cat's amazing books. Why don't you be fair and check it? Hey, I ain't got to, I'm not gonna scroll all the way up the chat to go find where you put your email in. I'm sorry that you didn't win. It's $100, please. I hope you're getting more value from this stream than just hoping to get $100. So. God. I was faster though. Fair is fair. Well, this again, this ain't you know, I don't even know what country. This is Patrick Wieland's country. Ain't nothing fair in life, all right? You missed out on $100. It's okay. You're gonna be all right. I'm not gonna sit here and try to scroll up through the chat to find out where your fucking email is at. There's like a million messages. I couldn't find it if I tried. Come on. God. Like, I mean, honestly, like if you're upset about $100 and you're watching this live stream today, I'm like, honestly, I'm mind blown. Not only did we give multiple opportunities to make multiple $100, but I mean, it's all free. We're literally doing it for free here. Fair is fair. I don't bullshit on that. It's not fair. I'm not, again, I don't give a fuck that you think that your email, I saw the emails, I clicked the email, the guy won. Who the fuck cares? Like, relax. I can't even scroll up if I fucking tried. It won't let me scroll up any further. God. I guarantee your email wasn't first. Who cares? Literally, who cares? Nasdaq trying to break out here once again. Look. The FOMO is real, and I'm definitely not gonna FOMO into this move now. Like, nope, I ain't doing it. I ain't doing it. I ain't, don't go up. I ain't doing it. The market is literally trying to get me right now. You know that, right? And I'm like, in my head, I'm like, well, you know, it's gonna break through 18,400. Let's just jump in really quickly, take a quick scalp. Right? In my head right now, my brain is like, Patrick, just get in. Just get in right now. Get in. Don't let it go higher, Patrick. Don't get in now. You know, the FOMO is, oof. It hurts. It hurts. Let's see if our rules help us or if our rules hurt us here. I don't know, kind of just like I took 2 really good trades today. I feel really good. I'm in a good spot. We're agreeing on the day. I don't have to force anything. Patrick, the reason that you got out of your short, well, because we had a target down into the low here, 70-80 area, right? That was our target. So, yeah, that's why I got out. Almost 100 points there. I mean, there's no point, no reason to being greedy. Why was 70 to 80 your target? Well, at the time, the middle of this candle, that 15-minute candle, was pretty much right there at the 70s, right? There she goes through the 400s now. God damn it. God damn it. It hurts. It hurts. It hurts me. How can one man be so good? The funny part is, like, ICT's fucking worshippers will sit there and talk about how he's so amazing and how he's changed their lives and how they're so good at trading, but it's like, I have never seen him actually fucking make money. It's always like, in hindsight, it's always fucking demo trades. It's always just like, you know, like, it's always bullshit. It's always like, oh yeah, you know, it's never like, hey, if this happens, then this is gonna happen. It's always bullshit. I do this live every day on the YouTube. But again, why did I want to get covered there at the 70s? Look at the middle of that 15-minute candle. It just makes sense not to be greedy. Get that little break below the hundreds here. I wasn't overly bearish. I wasn't like, oh my God, it's going to go to zero today, but I still thought that we needed to do some type of pullback into that 15-minute range. And then especially once we started to push back up, that was my entry here, right? To get back above that 190 level. And look at how it played out. We had that nice little push back up. We held the 160s there, duped the high of this candle, 88, the high of that candle, 92. So once we push through that, the high of this candle, 88 there, go to the 1 minute chart, you can see a little bit better, but still, like there's your breakout. Nice reversal, back up, bang. Look at this thing, still going. That's 200 points. 200 points, guys. Through the 400s now, fuck. That hurts. That hurts. That hurts. Oh. It hurts. Nah, it doesn't hurt. It don't hurt. Feels good. All right, I'm not gonna focus on the charts anymore. If you have any questions that you want to talk about, ask me some questions, and then I'm gonna be out of here in the next. We got questions for the next 20 minutes or so, and then I'm gonna peace out. There you go. Pivot point to pivot point on the Nasdaq from the 18,120 pivot up there to the 400 pivot. There you go. How much can you get your VIP room? You want to join the VIP room? Are you sure you want to join it? I don't know. You might not want to join it. It's up to you though. If you really want to join the VIP room, it's very expensive to join. I don't know. Let me know if you're interested in joining the VIP room. Where can you buy the course? Next week we'll be doing the actual initial launch of the course. Got big plans. Got the book coming out. I want to make it very clear. The trading book that I have coming out is not going to be like an expert trading book. It's a book about trading futures. Like, it's not something that if you're already very familiar with futures, it's not a book that you need to go out and read, by the way. So I just want to make that clear. It's not going to like be a revolutionary book by any means. It's basically just like a book on, based on like my trading and just like the overall trend trading and stuff. How much is the book? I think it's like for the digital download or whatever. I think it's pretty cheap. And then all the Market Flow Trader members will get the book as well. Does it have a lot of pictures? I don't know. Patrick, will your course have a translation option? Probably, maybe in the future. What kind of translation do you want? How much will the course be? $200. $200 for the course. I think that's very fucking very fair. I don't know. The course is going to be videos. There'll be live trades. There'll be me going through setups, talking through what I'm looking at, talking about my strategy, talking about my indicators, talking about everything that I'm using, the 15-minute opening range, the pivot points, all of that fun stuff. So a lot of good stuff coming out. Power hour today. No power hour today. My son's in town. It's his last week before summer starts, so we might go do something fun to later on. Is the 99% legit, or is that a joke? Well, it's 99% off of a $20,000 course, so it's only going to be $200. So, yes, there will be a sale. How will the previous MFT members get access? You will get an email with information on how to sign up for the new course once we launch. We have to launch the course so that way you can get the course. That sounds like an Apex sale. Well, you know, good is as good does. I mean, I basically, like, I want to give the course away for, I think, a fair value. Like, I think $200 is very, very, very fair. You know, I probably could charge more, but I'm also like, this is kind of like my legacy, my last hurrah. Like, I'm being serious. Like, I'm hoping that the end of this year, I'm able to retire and I can move on with my life. So kind of make a little bit of money here off the course and the book and all that, and then be my last hurrah. Are you going to keep trading? Yeah, I'll always be trading. But are you going to continue making YouTube content, or are you going to completely disappear? I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure. I got to figure out what I'm going to do as a job. I got to find a new job. I got some ideas, though. Don't worry about me. I'll be all right. I got some new businesses I want to start. I got a new business I want to start up. Maybe I was thinking, you know what I was actually thinking about would be kind of funny is starting a farm. I've actually been looking into buying a bunch of farmland and then buying some cows and having like a real premium beef. Pat's beef. Right? Pat's beef. I feel like that could be a thing. Pat's beef. We bring the beef. Right? That's pretty good. Pat's Wagyu. Market getting stuck up there at that pivot point, 18,400. Could be a good spot to pull back after all this movement up, but if the market wants to go higher, it's going to go higher. So it's hard to get short just because it's pulling back here a little bit. I'm not a big, I don't like to try to short the top, and I don't like to try to buy the bottom. Patrick, come to Brazil. There are many cattle farms. Maybe. That wouldn't be a bad idea. I thought about leaving the country as well, maybe going somewhere else. Maybe. I also thought about buying like a bigger boat, like a big boat, and then just like going around the world fishing and stuff. It could be fun as well. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I feel like I've just been doing YouTube now for the last 8 years. 8 years of YouTube. I looked at going to Bali, maybe go to Bali, Indonesia, somewhere in Asia, and go live for like 6 months. I've been to Portugal. I like Portugal. Yeah, if Kamala Harris becomes the president, the USA's fucked. Might as well just give up. The fact that anybody in their fucking right mind thinks that Kamala Harris would be a good president, I'm like mind blown, honestly. Honestly, mind blown. Like, I'm not even like, it's not even about being a Trump supporter and vice versa, but like, Kamala Harris, like, come on, man. Like, she bad. You know? Like, she real bad. I mean, I think from an outward perspective to the rest of the world, as much as everybody hates Trump, I think Trump gets more respect from other leaders around the world, and that's our biggest, like, as a president of the United States, the most important thing for the president really is to be able to exert confidence in America, to be able to have, you know, good relations with the rest of the world, to have the rest of the world, you know, want to do business with us, but also know that we're the top dog. Like, could you imagine Kamala Harris going and like talking to China? She's like, so, you know, time is time. And like, if you think about it, like yesterday was yesterday, but then tomorrow is tomorrow. So like right now is today. So like, we just need, you know, China to like help us today, but don't worry about tomorrow because tomorrow's tomorrow, but yesterday was yesterday. So if we focus on today, China can help us, right? Like China, you make stuff here, right? Isn't that what China does? Like last time I checked my iPhone, I think it's, it's made in China. So, you know, if today is today and then tomorrow's tomorrow, if you can help me, do you know about iPhones actually? The iPhone, sometimes my iPhone, when I scroll up on it, it doesn't work so well. I try to call Joe. I'm like, Joe, and he can't hear me. Do you guys work on the iPhones? Like, that's how she's gonna be talking to the fucking president of China. I'm like, China, wait, you guys know about iPhones? No, you're the president? Oh, never mind. I thought this was the Apple support. I thought you guys just fixed Apple here. That's literally Kamala Harris. Come on. Tell me it ain't. Tell me that ain't Kamala Harris. Yeah, I can't even do the laughing part. You know? She didn't become DA by talking about iPhones. She didn't become a district attorney for fucking being smart. She became the district attorney because she was sucking fucking that judge's dick. Are you kidding me? She was banging the fucking the judge, Willie Brown. You think Kamala Harris was ever actually fucking qualified to do anything? Are you kidding me? Come on. Willie Brown, Kamala Harris, man. Come on. You think Kamala Harris actually qualified for this shit? Look at her. There's Willie Brown. Look at back in the day. This is when Willie Brown was married, by the way. Look at this. Kamala Harris and Willie Brown. Oh. He's the former mayor. Former mayor. That's how she got to the DA's office. Nasdaq still going straight up. God damn it. I can't do this anymore. Look at it. It's still going. Look at it. It's just going straight up. It just keeps going. I was actually pretty funny. It was funny that somebody in the chat actually said that Kamala Harris was, well, she didn't get lucky and become the DA for doing nothing. Well, she didn't do nothing. She did something, but it definitely wasn't fucking actual work. You know, definitely wasn't work to get where she's at. Let's be honest. You know. Listen, hey, I don't want to point any fingers. She did something. Oh, man. Kamala Harris has definitely done something for this country. All right. So like I said earlier, at least, I didn't get short. Someone talked about getting short up here. Well, at least we avoided getting short. When the market is going up, you just can't get short. Just because you think it's a top don't mean shit. The market don't care. The market don't care that it think, oh, hey, Billy Joe Jefferson over here thinks that this is the top. Okay, hold my beer. Hold my beer. You know, come on. Market's gonna squeeze you out every time. See, the only reason to really get short now at this point is if we really, start to lose support. We start putting in higher, lower highs, lower lows. As of right now, we're still putting in higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. The trend is pointing up. I mean, this is textbook. This is everything that we talk about in the course. You know, if you're wondering right now, like, how did I miss out on this amazing move today? Well, guess what? If you tune in every day, you buy the course, you watch the videos, you learn, well, you're going to see. You're going to see what I see because, guys, the best part about the way I trade is it's not fucking rocket science. You don't need to watch 500 video. You don't need to watch 500 3-hour-long videos of some crazy person on the internet fucking ranting and raving. You can literally watch my videos, understand this shit pretty much like that, right? You can understand this shit just by being like, oh, that makes sense. Momentum. Momentum is, it's not, I wouldn't say it's the easiest, but maybe it's the easiest. Maybe it is. I don't know. Momentum, what is unburdened? Now I got Kamala Harris on my brain. She infected the brain. That's why she talks the way she does, because it makes everybody else also dumb. You're like, wait, what has been can be unburdened by what will be. See, now I can't even focus. But again, this is very simple price action trading. 15-minute, that big old candle to the upside. Well, you know there's a very, very good chance of it, that if this is going to go higher, guess what? It's got to have to test the middle of this 15-minute candle. And then look, bang, the breakout from there. That 190 level, we had a perfect entry there, but you had another entry there for the 15-minute opening range. 15-minute range from the 250s up there to the 4. What was that, the high? The high was 38. You're going to tell me that you can't learn to trade this very fucking simple strategy? You can't do it? 15-minute opening range? I can't even give it all. It makes me upset. I get upset, you know, because I'm like, people are like, but Patrick, you're a fraud. I'm like, oh, what am I going to do? How many lectures are there in your course? I mean, they're not really like lectures. It's kind of like breaking down kind of overall concepts and ideas, you know. So, beautiful move. The 15-minute opening range, the setup was there. We had to move to the downside. We got to move down for that pullback into that 15-minute chart. We had the push up. We had multiple breakouts. I'm trying to help people here. I really am. I'm trying to help people, but some people just don't fucking listen. You know, you can lead a horse to water, but you can't force the horse to drink. And I think that is very clear as well with people trading, because I get the same questions every day. People are like, I just don't understand. I don't understand the 15-minute opening range. How do you identify the 15-minute opening range? Like, it's my favorite question ever. I'm like, wait, what? How do you identify the 15-minute opening range? How do you identify the 15-minute opening range? How do you identify it? It's the 15-minute opening range. You look at the... Oh, man. All right. So tomorrow is Fresh Cash Friday, by the way. If you guys haven't tuned in for Fresh Cash Friday, but Fresh Cash Friday, well, you know where to be at, because there is no better place to be on the internet at this time of day, at least. You know, 9 o'clock, be here. And yeah. What a day. What a day. What a dollar. Dollar bills. Looking at the daily candle. Look at that thing. Big old boner candle back up to the upside there, boys. Ooh, buddy. I don't know. This looks like this could be trouble here. Back up to that 18,500 level again. I don't know. I feel like we're going to end up lower from here. But I was wrong yesterday, so I'm not even going to put a... The dollar is pulling back. This would be a very impressive candle. If this candle literally breaks out through that 18,550 level from yesterday, that would be a very impressive candle. I just feel like it's not going to do that, but maybe it will. We've seen it in the past, little hammer candles to the downside, the reversal from there. So anything is possible. Anything is very, very possible here. They're still just pushing it. Oh, now we're turning this level 18,400 pivot into support there. So lordy. Next to get through is that 440 area there. After that, we got liquidity at the 500s and the 450s. So liquidity at the 450s there. So big thank you guys for tuning in and supporting the channel, watching, and having fun and all that fun stuff. So I like how the person in the chat is literally saying, hey, I'm not trying to promote something, while he spams it in the fucking chat. Do you think I'm like, you think we're all dumb? Hey everybody, hey guys, not really promoting, but check out this new YouTube channel. Dude is new, really cooking fire, amazing, live streaming every day. What the fuck? All right, so there it is. You got the 450 to the upside, and after that, 18,500. So we'll be back tomorrow for Fresh Cash Friday. If you guys haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe button. You know what to do. Peace to the Middle East, baby. Shoo.